Love yours. No steps ahead.
What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm back with another video. This one gonna be a little bit different. I'm doing an unboxing video, my first unboxing video. And you might, if you're watching this, you probably already know who Raysowavy is, which is why you're watching. But if you don't know who she is, she's a well-known YouTuber in the LGBT community, and she has a clothing line called ProjectKozi. So I went ahead and I ordered me a sweatsuit because it's fall time. Well, it's fall time. If you're in Florida, it feels like June still, but it's supposed to be fall time coming up. And so I went ahead and got me a sweatsuit. I'm gonna let y'all know about like the ordering process a little bit. So I ordered it September 18th and it got here today, which is October 5th. So it was like between 2 and 3 weeks, which is not that bad. I guess it was a little bit on the 3-week side because she had issues with her manufacturer, I guess, like getting her shipment in. And she was very honest about that on her Instagram, which I really appreciate. She was letting her customers know like what was going on, constantly giving us updates and whatnot. And as soon as she got her boxes, she showed the video. It was like probably 8-9 boxes that she had got in one shipment. Like, and it seemed like the same night she was printing out labels. So I really appreciate like her urgency and her updating her customers, because everybody don't do that, especially when you're a small business. It's hard when you're a small business and you're doing it by yourself. Like, I really, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Not appreciate, but like, I respect. That's what I'm looking for. I respect her hustle. Like, she don't play by her business, and that's what's up. So yeah, I feel like without the manufacturer issues, it probably would have got here a little bit quicker. But hey, the sweatsuit I got was on sale. She was doing like I think it was a half off sale, something like that. I forgot what it was, but she was doing a fall sale. And so I got it for $50 and then plus $8.99 for shipping. So it came out to $58.99. I'm about to show you what I got and we're about to go from there. All right, so it came in this black bag, what do you call these? Poly bags? Something like that. But yeah, it came in this black bag, so I'm about to open it up. I'm a little nervous because I had got a size large because I'm a large in bottoms and men's bottoms. I'm a large, and I'm just worried about like the hoodie being a little too big. But oversized hoodies are usually better anyways. Y'all, can y'all see the what you call these, rhinestones? This is nice. Okay, y'all, this is the front. It came in another clear bag, which is, I like that extra protection. Let me make sure there's nothing else in this. Yeah, that's empty. Yeah, it came in this nice clear bag. That's extra protection. I like that. I'm liking this already, y'all. And as you can see, like I said, I got a size large, and it says ProjectKozi. So yeah, this is nice. Get into the details. Okay, this is the back. This is the pants. So let me see. Oh, I got it upside down. I'm like, wait, these are the pants. So it's the P for project and the K for cozy. And then got the same thing on the sweatshirt. I'm gonna show y'all the hoodie first. I'm liking the material already. It's really cozy for real, for real. When she said ProjectKozi, she meant cozy, okay? Let me turn it around. Bro, I'm loving how thick this hoodie is. Like, it is really thick. So yeah, again, I got the size large, and this is the green men's sweatsuit. Let me get into the details, okay? This is it's like a distressed design on the end of the sleeve. We have too much talk, not enough motion, big period. It has an official ProjectKozi clothing tag. And then nothing on this sleeve. We got 3 stars down here. Like, I'm loving the details. Like, I really hope this fit. It don't look too big. Honestly, it don't look too big. So just like the sleeves, the collar part also has like a distressed look, and it's around the front collar part and also on the back. And then on the hoodie itself, it has a distressed design going all the way around. Like, get into the details. And then this is the inside of the hoodie. You don't see no threading. That's that good stitch pattern, boy. On the bottom of the hoodie, it also has distressed design. All right, now I'm about to show y'all the sweatpants. I keep saying sweatpants, and the whole time it's sweat shorts. I forgot it's like a Excuse me, y'all, but I had lost my patience with my cat playing with this bag in the background. I had to snatch it up real quick. Who's that? It's a sweat short set. It's a tracksuit. It's a hoodie and sweat shorts. I keep saying sweatpants, but they're shorts. But this is the front of the short, so it goes along with the hoodie. It has the collage here, and then the PK, and then on the back, it has the too much talk, not enough motion, like the hoodie does on the sleeve. Like, the attention to detail and the placement of the detail. Oh, and the back pocket is actually functional. Let me see the front pockets. Oh, and then I like how the drawstring has the metal tips so that the tips don't like start unraveling and whatnot. The inside has the size label. Like I said, I got large. I didn't show y'all the inside of the hoodie, but this is how the inside of the shorts look, and it's the same in the hoodie, like the fleece. It feels real cozy, y'all, and I ain't even put it on yet, and it feels real cozy. So yeah, we about to go ahead, we about to put this bad boy on. Let's get into it. But yeah, here go the full fit on me. But yeah, this is how I usually wear my hoodies. I like to wear them up all the way, for real. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside.
Like I was saying earlier, I had ordered a size large. If I would have known it was gonna fit like this, I would have honestly ordered a size up. Everybody's clothing sizes are different, so I figured ordering online is always risky. It's not that tight, but it's not what I expected as a men's large. You can see the shorts, like how the pockets do that. I'm not really a fan of that part because it looked like the pockets is being stretched out. Like, but like I said, they're not too small, but I would have liked them to be bigger on me. And I feel like it makes me nervous washing them because I hope they don't shrink in the washer, because if they do, then it's over with after that. The hoodie though, I like the size of the hoodie. Like, it's not too big and it's not too small. It's like perfect. So, yeah, that's how it look on.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride.
The pockets are good quality, like they're deep enough to where I could fit my phone in it. I like how the pockets is the same material as the outside of the shorts. Like, it's not that, what do you call it? Fluffy inside stuff. I like that. That's pretty much it. So yeah, like I said, the only thing I'm worried about is washing the shorts and them shrinking. I hope that does not happen, because then that would, you know. But other than that, I feel like this suit is a great purchase for the fall time, even for the summertime, because you can really keep the shorts and wear it with a different top, or you can have the hoodie on and wear the hoodie with different bottoms. Like, that's what's nice about sweatsuits. They're very versatile. That's the ProjectKozi men's sweatsuit. Go ahead and lock in with Raysowavy and get you one.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.